Hi everyone, this is Sai Teja from Triple E Department. Today topic is about smoke detector abstract. The system provides real-time detection of hazardous gases leakage. It is uses MQ2 sensor, integrated alarm and a lithium-ion battery for probability. Key features includes high sensitivity, auto calibration and user-friendly design. Equipped with a robot alarm mechanism, the system provides immediate alert through visual audible and vibration feedback, enabling prompt action and mitigates risk. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery powers the device, ensuring portability and uninterrupted operation even in remote locations or during power outages. The 7805 voltage regulator guarantees stable power deliveries, protecting sensitive components from voltage malfunctions. The system digital interfaces display real-time gas concentration levels and operational status, enhancing user experience and reliability. Its compact design, cost-effectiveness, and ease of maintenance make it particular solution for a wide range of applications, including residential safety, industrial monitoring, and public space protection. Problem statement: fire are one of the most dangerous and destructive natural hazard that can lead to several properties, damages, injuries, and loss of life. Smoke detector also a critical device that helps in the early detection of smoke, which is the one first sign of a fire. They serves to alert individual, giving them enough time to vacate the premises and take necessary action to prevent losses or damages. Despite their importance, smoke detector may sometimes fails to work optimally due to issues such as battery failure, poor maintenance, or dated placements problem. The goal is to design and implement an effective smoke design detection system that can accurately detect smoke in a room or building environment, provides early warning systems such as a loud alarm and notification to alert occupant and emergency services in the event of a fire, minimize false alarm causes by non-fire related smoke sources, cooking, fumes, steam. Ensure easy to maintenance, including low battery indication and smoke sensitive calibration. Be cost effective and scalable for both residential and commercial applications. Components overview. MQ2 gas sensor. Detect gas like methane, propane and LPG. Relay module. Activates the alarm. 7805 voltage regulator. Ensure stable 5-volt power. Lithium-ion battery. Provides portability. Buzzer. Emits alert for detected gas leaks. Working principle. The comprehensive portable gas leakages detection system op- operates by leveraging the unique property of MQ2 gas sensor and supporting electronic components. The process can be broken down into following steps: gas detection, single processing, alert mechanism, gas detection. The MQ2 gas sensor feature is a tin dioxide SnO2 sensor layer whose electrical resistance decreases in the presence of combustor gases like methane, propane, and LPG. The sensor detects gas concentration in the environment and output a corresponding analog or digital signal processing. The sensor output is processed by a microcontroller or a connected circuit, which compares the detected gas concentration to predefined threshold. If the concentration exceeds the threshold, the system identifies it's a hazardous level. Alert mechanism. When hazardous gases concentration is detected, the relay module is activated. The relay triggers a buzzer which emits a loud audible alarm alerts user immediately. Additional visual or vibrational alert can be incorporated to enhance awareness. Power regulations. The 7805 power regulator ensures a stable 5-volt supply to the system, protecting components from voltage malfunctioning and ensuring consistent operation. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery power the system, providing portability and the ability to operate without a fixed power source. User interaction and in digital interfaces displays real-time gas concentration levels, system status, and alert messages. User can calibrate the system to set custom threshold for different gases, ensuring flexibility and adaptability. Safe assurance. The system operates continuously to monitor environment, providing real-time detection and immediate alert to minimize risk associated with gas leaks. Advantages: real-time detection and alert, portable and user-friendly design, cost-effective components, versatile for multiple environments, user-friendly and designs. These are the 5 advantages of smoke detector. Applications: residential, detects LPG leakage in kitchens; industrial, monitor factories using flammable gases; public spaces, prevents hazards in hostels and gas stations; oils and gases, ensure safety in pipelines and storage tanks. These are the application for the smoke detector. There are industrial, monitoring factory using flammable gases; public spaces, prevents hazards in hostels and gas stations; oils and gases, ensure safety in pipelines and storage tanks. Future developments: IoT integration for remote monitoring, automated alert to emergency service, improved battery efficiency for longer usage. These are the future developments. We can monitor the gas levels from anywhere if the system is IoT integrated. Conclusion: the comprehensive portable gas leak detection system is a groundbreaking innovation in safety technology, offering a reliable, efficient, and portable solution for detecting hazardous gases leaks. By integrating advanced components like the MQ2 gas sensor, 7805 voltage regulator, and the lithium-ion battery, the system ensures high sensitivity, real-time detection, and uninterrupted operation even in remote or power deprived location. It impacts the user-friendly design combined with features such as customizable threshold, digital displays, and multimodal alert mechanism make it versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications for residential safety to industrial monitoring and the public places protection, and the system addresses critical safety challenges effectively. Thank you.